glad and free, for it weighed on them so, the goods I used to know. But never shall I be a pilgrim of such a kind, you see, that ever toward them I should goodwill or favor show. For this I might well lose my way and all my road, for so much harm have the traitors done to me, that if God willed that they should have my love and soul, He could not lay on me a weight more heavy and more low. I go, my lady, to God the Creator I commend your body in whatever place I may be, your goal. I know not if you shall ever see my return or end. It is but chance if ever I see you again. I know. For God I pray you, in whatever place I may be or go, that you keep our covenant, whether I come or stay or bend. And I pray God that He grants me honor to the end, just as I have been to you, a true lover and a friend.